This creamy chicken Alfredo tastes like something you'd buy from a restaurant, but you can make it right at your home. If yours has never tasted this good, stick around to the end of the video and see why. We'll slice the chicken breast in half. This will help it cook evenly. Finely chop the garlic and then the fresh parsley. Grating the Parmesan cheese is today's workout. Definitely the workout of the day. Anyway, tell me how you pronounce it in your country. Parmesan, Parmesan. Let me know in the comment section. Season both sides of the chicken breast with salt and black pepper. Now that we are done with the seasoning, let's boil the fettuccine. Don't forget to add the salt. Heat a little oil and then put the butter in the pan. We start with the oil so that not to burn the butter. Then cook the chicken until it's beautiful golden on both sides. Once it's cooked through, let it rest before slicing. Now let's make the star of the dish, the creamy Alfredo sauce. Let's go in with our garlic. Add heavy cream, let it gently warm over medium heat. Stir it, let it be enough, put enough. Then we shall add in our freshly grated Parmesan cheese and keep stirring until it melts into a smooth, silky sauce. Season with oregano and add freshly chopped parsley for a burst of fresh flavor and color. Now it's time for the fettuccine. Transfer the cooked pasta straight into the sauce and gently toss until every strand is coated in that rich creamy goodness. This is exactly what we want. Smooth, that velvet sauce clinging to every bite of the pasta. Let's slice our chicken breast. Look at how tender and juicy it is. Anyway, let's plate up everything and see our final look. And there it is, our creamy chicken Alfredo fettuccine. If you've enjoyed this recipe and want to see more easy delicious meals like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bells so you never miss a new recipe. Bye.